Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of small living room design, providing that size does not matter when it comes to creating a stylish and cozy space. Whether you are dealing with limited square footage or just looking for some fresh ideas, we have got you covered. Let's get started. Number 1. Maximize vertical space. One of the key to conquering a small living room is to think vertically. Wall mounted shelves, floating cabinets, and tall bookcases not only providing extra storage but also draw the eye upward, making the room feel longer. Consider utilize the full height of your wall to create a functional and visual appealing storage solution. Number 2. Choose multifunctional furniture. In a small living room, every piece of furniture should earn its keep. Option for multifunctional furniture like a sofa bed, nesting table, or an ottoman with hidden storage. These pieces not only save space but also add versatility to your living area. Number 3. Lighting magic. Lighting can make or break the ambience of a room, especially in smaller space. Embrace natural light by using sheer curtain and strategically place mirror to reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space. Additionally, invest in stylish space-saving lighting fixture to enhance the overall atmosphere. Number 4. Strategic furniture placement. Smart furniture placement is crucial in a small living room. Instead of pushing all your furniture against the wall, consider creating cozy conversation area with furniture arranged closer together. This not only foster a more intimate setting but also make the room feel more purposeful. Number 5. Go bold with colors. Don't shy away from bold colors in a small space. While lighter color can create a illusion of openness, strategic use of bold colors can add a personality and depth. Consider an accent wall vibrant through pillows or a colorful rug to inject life into your living room. Number 6. Scale matters. When choosing furniture for a small living rooms, pay attention to scale. Option for smaller scale furniture that fit the proportion of the room. A larger section may be tempting, but it can overwhelm a small space. Choose pieces that are both stylish and appreciate sized for your living area. Number 7. Declutter and organize. A clutter-free space is a visual larger space. Embrace the minimalistic mindset by decluttering regularly and investing in stylish storage solution. Use baskets, decorative box, and furniture with built-in storage to keep your living room organized and inviting. Number 8. Create a focal point. Give your small living room a focal point that draws attention away from its size. Whether it is a statement wall, a piece of artwork, or a stylish piece of furniture, Having a center point of interest can distract from the room is limited dimension and add a characters. Number 9. Use mirror strategy. Mirrors are magical in small space. Strategically, place mirror can reflect light, creating a brighter and more open feel. Consider a large mirror on one wall or a collection of smaller mirrors to enhance the visual spectacleness of your living room. Number 10. Embrace smart technology. In the age of smart homes, incorporate technology to maximize your small living room's potential. Invest in space-saving entertainment units, smart lighting system, and concept gadgets to streamline your space and bring it into the 21st century. And there you have it, 10 design ideas to transform your small living room into a stylish and cozy haven. Remember, it is not about the size of the space but how you make the most of it. Get creative, experiment with different elements, and turn your small living room into a showcase of thoughtful design. Thanks for watching.